For problem number 2, find the measure of an angle which is the conjugate of 175 degrees. So, pagdating kay conjugate, so sabi natin, di ba, ito ay tinatawag ding explementary angles. When you say explementary angles, you are adding two angles such that yung sum nila ay 360 degrees. So, dito, let's say, meron tayong theta and beta. So, dapat si theta plus beta, dapat equal daw siya kay 360 degrees. So, let's say one of the angle is 75. So, let's say si theta na lang yan, si 175. So, ano yung idadagdag mo sa 175? So, yun yung beta para maging 360 degrees yung sum nila. So, simple subtraction. So, dito, mahanap natin na si beta ay 360 minus 175. So, yung conjugate ng angle na 175 is 185 degrees. So, ito yung ating answer for this problem.